Imagine transforming tired, lifeless soil into a thriving, fertile medium in just 3 days. This is the promise of a remarkable Amish soil technique. No expensive fertilizers, just the power of the living world beneath our feet. The Amish know the secret isn't feeding plants, but feeding the soil's microbes, bacteria, fungi and more, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. By awakening these microscopic helpers, you rapidly improve soil structure and unlock nutrients, giving roots the perfect environment to thrive. The beauty? It's simple, accessible, and uses ingredients you already have at home. Over the next few scenes, we'll show you how to create and apply this microbial starter, step by step. You'll learn how to revive your garden beds, pots and raised beds for seasons of abundant harvests. It's time to unlock the secrets hidden in your soil. Quick fixes like synthetic fertilizers offer a temporary boost, but they disrupt the soil's natural balance and create dependency. The real engine of a healthy garden is the soil food web, a bustling community of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes. These tiny recyclers break down organic matter, making nutrients available to plants. Overusing chemicals starves these microbes, leading to compacted, lifeless soil. The Amish approach flips the script: feed the microbes, not the plants. A simple carbohydrate jump starts microbial activity, unlocking nutrients and improving soil structure. The result? Airy, nutrient-rich soil that supports strong, resilient plants. Sustainable fertility starts with a thriving microbial community. Let's see how to make it happen. The heart of this 3-day soil revival is a simple microbial starter made from everyday ingredients. Use plain cooked rice or cornmeal. Both are pure carbohydrates that microbes love. Cook 1 cup of rice or cornmeal into a soft porridge-like consistency. Then let it cool. Mix the cool base with 5 gallons of rainwater or dechlorinated tap water in a large bucket. Stir well to create a starchy slurry. For an extra boost, add a tablespoon of unsulfured molasses or a splash of compost tea. But these are optional. This mixture is your microbial starter, ready to awaken your soil. Now, let's apply it. With your starter ready, fill a watering can and apply the mixture evenly over your garden beds, pots or raised beds. Soak the soil thoroughly, aiming for the top few inches where microbes are most active. For a standard raised bed, use the entire 5-gallon batch for full coverage. Containers and planters benefit just as much. Water until you see drainage. After application, cover the soil with a generous layer of mulch, compost, leaf mold or fine wood chips. Mulch keeps moisture in, insulates the soil, and provides ongoing food for microbes. This step is essential for sustaining the microbial boom you've started. In just 3 days, you'll notice a visible transformation. Healthy soil, healthy plants. The real magic is in the long-term benefits. Improved soil structure, better moisture retention, and stronger, more resilient plants. To maintain this living soil, top dress with compost or mulch once or twice a year. Avoid unnecessary digging to protect delicate fungal networks. Always apply the starter to slightly damp soil and never skip the mulch. By feeding the soil, not the plant, you break the cycle of chemical dependency. Your garden becomes more self-sustaining, productive and healthy. This is the Amish secret to a truly abundant harvest. Feed your soil, and it will feed you.